Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you interested in allowing your followers to create stickers from your TikTok videos? In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable this feature. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down to the Interactions category and tap on Stickers. Step 7. Once in the Stickers settings, select Followers to allow your followers to create stickers from your TikTok videos. Please note that for this feature to work, ensure that your TikTok account is set to public. If it's currently set to private, you'll need to switch it to public to enable your followers to create stickers. By following these simple steps, you can empower your followers to create stickers from your TikTok videos, encouraging engagement and creativity on the platform. Thank you for watching and enjoy the enhanced interaction with your followers on TikTok.